When it comes to Australian-made hot water systems, Thermann doesn't leave quality to chance. To understand why, here's a sneak peek into some of Thermann's quality testing that we do on our Australian-made large electric and gas storage water heaters. An important quality test we focus on here in Australia is pulsation testing, and we have one of the largest testing rigs in the world. So what is pulsation? A single pulsation simulates every time that a homeowner turns on their tap or a heating cycle over the life of the water heater. This is a fatigue-based test to ensure we're making tanks that will go the distance. The rigs work 24/7 to torture test multiple tanks from each day's production to a minimum of 250,000 pulsations. That's equivalent to over 35 years of use. If you're curious to what the maximum number of pulsations we've ever tested to, it currently sits at over 1 million cycles, something we regularly achieve. So what does all this mean to you? It means that Thermann is focused on producing the highest quality, large electric and gas storage water heaters that are made and installed right here in Australia.